Hey, we're back. Now that you've learned how to find the percent of a number, let's take that a step further and let's find the percent off. So the procedure really is a lot like what you just did when you found the percent of the number. So let's look at another problem. Let's pretend that an item that I want to buy is $32.45, but they're having a sale and it's 25% off. So I have to figure out what my price is going to be considering that there's a sale. So the first step that you're going to follow is just what we did in the previous module. You are going to determine what 25% of $32.45 is. So let's do that first. I need to figure out 25% of 32.45. So don't forget, the first step was to move the decimal 2 places. Which way? To the left, to the left. I know you're jealous of my singing, but don't be. Someday you'll be a cool singer too. All right, back to reality. So my decimal appears there. I'm going to move it 2 places to the left. 1, 2 with my upside down rainbows. So 25% as a decimal is actually 0.25. Of, in math, means times. And then I just bring my money down, 32.45. You are allowed to use a calculator on this module, and I'm going to too. So let's do a little bit of math. 0.25 times 32.45 equals 8.1125. That's kind of a weird number, but we're going to write the whole thing down here. Really, when you write a number down, you don't need to go more than 3 places past the decimal because we're going to round. We're rounding because we're talking about money in this module. And when I'm talking about money, I only go 2 decimal places, right? I don't have $8 and 1,125 cents. That's just not how we do things. So remember, when you have a calculator, I want you to do things twice, just in case you press the wrong button. So 0.25 times 32.45 equals 8.1125. I was right. So now I have to round my answer because I'm talking in terms of money. So I'm going to round to the 100th spot. So that means I need to look at the next spot over. So I'm looking at the 2. Does the 2 tell me to raise the 1 or keep it the same? So I want you to think 5 or more, raise the score. 4 or less, let it rest. I'm going to let it rest. So this ends up being 8.11, okay? But I'm not done because it wants to know my final price. It's not just asking me what the percentage is. So now here's the next step. I'm going to take, let's do a different color. Let's do green. I'm going to take this 8.11 and I have to subtract it from our original price to get my final price. So let's do that. I have 32.45 minus $8.11. So get your calculator. 32.45 minus $8.11, 24.34. So my final price is 24.34. Put your dollar sign. Now let's do it again just to make sure because we've got a calculator. 0.25 times, I was right, $24.34 would be my final price. So when you're finding a percent off, you're following the same procedure that you did to find the percent of a number, but then you have to subtract that answer from your original price to get your final price. So maybe it would help you to remember I'm at a sale and my final price is generally, I would say 99% of the time, going to be smaller than your original price. I can't think of an instance where it would be bigger, but I better say 99% of the time just so I'm not wrong. Know what I'm saying? Okay, well, good luck finding the final price and have a great day.